Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of the Engine 2 cookbook. And it's kind of a breakfast, lunch or dinner recipe, but it's in the breakfast section. And it's called 50-50 hash browns. You know why it's called 50-50?
I do.
Why?
Half potato, half sweet potatoes, half not sweet potatoes.
Yes, we have half of our potatoes here are cooked sweet potatoes and half are cooked Yukon Gold or just white potato on the
Those
inside.
look like red
I
potatoes.
know, I had red skin potatoes, but I like being able to, show that.
Actually, I think this belongs in the dinner section.
It easily could. So if you're
Oats should be your breakfast.
if you're following along, we're on page 44 of Engine 2 cookbook. And so it starts with about 2 medium and 2 large potatoes and then cook them. So they have to be already cooked. If you're trying to cook them in the pan, it won't work. It'll take forever. It'll burn, smoke, house burns down, just tragedy. But chop an onion and a red pepper. I chopped this already so we could get going on cooking here on our stovetop cam. And again, just cook the onion in the hot pan. You have to just pay attention to it so it doesn't stick. We have a green pan. It's kind of still a working green pan. It's not the best. So we have to sort of monitor the heat a little bit, start high, and then go a little lower as the onion releases its juices. Oh, and so we have an onion, a red pepper. Also, we're going to have in here some black pepper, some red pepper flakes to go in when we cook these hash browns. If you have a certain flavor profile you like with your hash browns, like a little curry or cumin, or I don't even know, I'm making it up, tarragon, go ahead and throw those in. I'm just going with what I traditionally think of, which is black pepper and a little cha-cha with pepper flakes. I'm sure half of you out there are going to have it with tons of what's it called? Cholula. How do you say it? Cholula sauce? Hot sauce? Yeah, Cholula or or sriracha. That was the other one. All right, so this is on. This is ready to go. All that moisture from the onions coming right out.
Are you wanting my peppers to be small?
Yeah, fine diced.
Well,
and then, oh gosh, you know what we need to do? We need to dice the potatoes. So as those are cooking, I'm going to keep going back and forth. We're going to dice these potatoes. These are already cooked.
Jane, should that be smaller? Mine's smaller.
That's fine. We need to dice the potatoes. Those are always large dice. I know when I'm going to roll the dice with you because your dice are always kind of big. And I think I'm going to get my chef knife because you're going to do the white ones, I'll do the orange ones. 50-50. And cut these into squares.
I'm not used to cutting cooked potatoes. They have a different
texture,
cutting ability.
Okay. So I want it to be about 50-50. So if I need to cut into this, I will. Oh, this is a gray one. Let's not get the gray bits. Oh, my onions are screaming to me. All right, red pepper. Let's get the red pepper in. Thank you. Red pepper. That's going to cook down a little bit. And then as it cooks down, now the smaller the dice, the better. I think I have more of the sweet potato here than you do, Ann. Why don't you cut yours up into equal? So it's 50-50. All right, this smells so good.
Hey, and be sure to leave your skins on because that's where all the power in the potatoes lie.
Yeah,
all the best nutrients, that's where you find them.
There's some gray sections that I don't like.
Oh, gray's good.
No,
nothing was bad.
No,
really.
there was like a. All right, that looks about 50-50-ish. Is that all? Okay. And then we're going to do some scallions for garnish, just because we like greens and everything. We already have enough onion in here. But let's get these potatoes going now. So these are going to go in, and we're just going to stir them around and hope they brown up nicely with the rest. Okay, stovetop cam. Hopefully you're getting this.
Yep.
Nice.
What a shame to be missing me cutting green onions.
Oh. And sawing through her green onions with her serrated knife.
Well, actually,
Are you using your favorite knife?
no, I'm using what's here.
Here's your knife. Here's your knife.
No. This is good. This is good.
Okay. So we're gonna cook these for a little bit and put some black pepper on. Put some. What was the other thing I said? Red pepper flakes. And I love my fee. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry. My big fee fi fo fum pepper. All right. So we're gonna let this cook for a minute or two, just stirring it around, and we'll be right back. All right, we've been cooking and stirring, and it's been sticking to the pan, and we've been lifting it off, and it's always an issue with nonstick pans these days.
Which this nonstick pan is no longer a nonstick pan.
It's an all-stick pan, but it doesn't matter. It still cooks it, and we get some browning, like you can see right here. I don't know if the camera can see this lovely little. We do have some great sort of char that happens, but little black pepper. I put red pepper on as we were cooking, and got some black pepper. People can kind of add that as they. Oh, I added quite a bit.
You did?
Yeah, I did. Look, a lot comes out.
That's hardly any.
Oh, okay. Well, you can put that. That's your dish then. All right. So you guys ready to try some hash browns? I'm gonna get. You want to scoot it up? I'm gonna get some sriracha. I know Wade likes sriracha on his.
Could be a ketchup one too.
Oh, and let's garnish it a little bit so it looks so pretty. And maybe we need a bigger spoon. And then we can get you guys to put on your sriracha or your white, as you like. And here's our fork. Okay, you guys, so come try. There, Josh, you get the heaping big one. Josh calls himself a raccoon, how much he eats. Oh, and I love mine with ketchup. And I love getting a ketchup on mine that does not have high fructose corn syrup. I know ketchup has sugar. It just comes with the territory. So you guys, ketchup, sriracha, whatever you want. I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna put some ketchup on. Ooh, ketchup came out fast. Get what you want, Wade, Josh?
I'm gonna go ketchup.
You gonna go ketchup?
Yeah.
And what do you want on yours?
I'm one of these ketchup.
I don't.
just,
I'm not a ketchup person.
I'm gonna do sriracha. Looks dangerous.
I like anything with ketchup. My God,
There's really not much you
I
can.
have so much sriracha. Oh,
I know. I want to feel something.
yeah. So I think,
Guess what?
what? You need more pepper. Ha, of course. Ugh. There's something that ketchup is such a familiar comfort food, probably from my childhood. What do you guys think? I know it's hot.
Oh, those potatoes are so good.
Well,
Yeah.
they're done is what they are.
Yeah.
I wish that our pan was better with nonstick, but we're always looking for better nonstick pans.
Well, this present to Jane
It worked
was
for a while.
failure.
No, it worked for a while. Hey, so enjoy your hash browns and put whatever you want in them and season them how you'd like.
I just tried a little bit of sriracha, which I quite like.
Okay. Hey, thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.